Children, today I am going to explain close packing structures. Although atoms and ions are assumed to be perfectly spherical, but showing packing with spheres is somewhat difficult, so we'll do it with bangles. When we generate a crystal in one dimension, the particles are placed in a line, one dimension in a line, and particles are placed in a row next to each other, and we can see that every sphere atom is in contact with two neighboring spheres, hence the coordination number in one dimension is 2. Now when we want to extend this crystal in 2 dimension, we'll also have to generate its breadth. This breadth I am generating by keeping the spheres in such a manner that they are aligned horizontally as well as vertically. This type of packing is known as square close packing. Why so? Because if we see a particular atom, let it be this which is marked by asterisk, it is in contact with 4 neighboring spheres 1, 2, 3 and 4, and hence this packing is known as square close packing or AAA type of packing. Another way of generating 2 dimension is when we place 1 dimension while generating the breadth. Now I am keeping the sphere in the depression of the first row. So here comes the difference between square close packing and hexagonal close packing. You can see that here the rows are aligned, whereas in this the second row is kept in the depression of the first one. Why it is known as hexagonal close packing, this you will understand now. Let us take this particular sphere, and when we see this, it is in contact with 6 neighboring spheres 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In this manner, all spheres are touching 6 neighboring spheres in the form of hexagon, and hence it is known as hexagonal close packing. It is also known as ABAB type of packing, and coordination number here is 6. Children, when we compare both of them, we can see that the empty space which is left, the gap which is left between the bangles, these gaps or space, vacant space, is known as void. Obviously, it is more in case of square close packing as compared to hexagonal close packing. Therefore, whenever a crystal is generated taking a square close packing, it won't be that efficient as packing done with hexagonal close packing, because here the void or empty space is less.